Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, upon your time. My name is Mohammed Azim. Welcome to a Forex session. I am going to present Elliot Wave Analysis and Forex Forecast. I use Elliot to trade and cast the market I reach with the Elliot Wave online course. So I also use some Forex trading systems as trending and side trading strategy. I also teach online. To start making in Forex trading, check out web. There are different ways to contact me. Before going in front of Forex experience, those things, let us go look at radar screen. I'm going to give it 2 seconds to update. Okay, the $1 looks trusting, and GBPJPY to take a few seconds. We'll come back this later. Let us look at the $1 for this. Go to the daytime frame. So USD currency pair seems to me market is trying to wrap over here, and I'll switch over for our time frame. Audio is unclear. Yes, audio stream bit rate lower than recommended. Maybe that might be issue. Let's see. Go with the streams server. Go to stream health. Okay. Let's go to the analytics. Okay, starting the GBPUSD here. The price is trying to rise up over here. To go to the 4 chart. Second. Over. So 4 time frame. Are you still getting the same problem, or is it now? Tell me. I think to you is or working good or not? Tell me. to a 4-hour time frame of GBPUSD currency pair. Let's see what's going on our chart of dollar. I do not have any kind of setup and to show us the gen setup. So I just as setup order over here at 140.67 area. See, section is probably going to move size and drop in price. And I expect down section of US versus Chinese yen. So this is potential setup over here. And let's see. The GBPUSD currency sell right now, not providing any over here. Okay, let us start analysis for euro dollar. Euro USD price action in dollar is likely to move sideways over, and possible euro USD is going to move a little bit more before a drop in euro dollar CPI. Okay. Next is the hour frame of USD. Consider the 4 chart of like on the euro dollar. You see, I say probably trying to move up in euro dollar pair. I'm waiting for this to break below this high area over here, and if I do it right down section with this area, then the chance high euro is probably going to drop. Okay. Okay. Next one is the currency pair time frame. I need the audio again. Okay. Live stream, go to live stream and go over here. Let me see what the live stream looks like here. Our chart hopefully getting the voice like Okay, listen, I have an audio problem. I just noticed, and hopefully it's solved. So I'm looking for the price to rise up more over here, and it's possible that pricing is going to break above this opening high right around over here, 1.168 in 1 hour frame. If I zoom a little bit, plan for dollars to go here and wait for the upside. So go over here and here. Okay. So this is the side plan, and your currency pair, the way I see price action is going to rise up more. Next, let us look at euro dollar currency pair daily time frame, and I'm going to show alternative value of cap. This is the rate in euro dollar currency pair, which suggests that price is going to rise up more over. It's not going to stop at this point in time. Expect more side. Next, frame of euro dollar concern. So to a minutes chart, it seems the audio is looking good. Anyways, the euro dollar pair, I see price is going to rise from levels. Let us take a US dollar index. The DS, the DS should have dropped by section here from these lows. Uh, the way I see market is probably going to drop more here in the dollar index. I'm going to show you the 1 hour chart of US dollar index. So this is our time frame, and got this leg over here, and then actually further. My forecast is bearish in USD. Next is the alternative Elliot wave count of US dollar index over here, and the way I see price action is not going to pause over here. It's quite possible that expect further weakness in price action of US dollar index. Okay, see price probably going to drop more. Let us look at pound here and GBPUSD currency pair. Price action is going to rise up before we get a top and drop over here. Next one is the 4 hour time of GBPUSD currency pair. So 4 hour chart of dollar suggests that is probably to test the red color highlighted area over here. So it seems to get further upside over in the currency pair before we get a sizable top and a drop. Okay. So my forecast is bearish in pound dollar currency pair, but we need to first wait for the price action to test this this red color highlight area. Next, let us take a look at a 15 minutes chart of pound dollar currency pair. The way I see, pound is going to rise up even further over here. Price action basically, it's keep printing higher swing highs and swing lows. So the trend is obviously up over here in GBPUSD currency pair. Okay, next one is the dollar pair, AUDUSD currency pair. Go over to the time. So the Australian dollar versus United States dollar currency pair. The way I see is probably going to rise up more from levels. I expect an upside in USD pair. Okay, go back to radar screen. If you guys could hear my voice fine, just type inside the chat box, so I get a confirmation. Let me check out the radar screen again. Okay, US dollar yen, I have actually placed a limit pending order. Sell limit, sell stop pending order over here. So I have action to split. Now maybe market takes time to drop and market doesn't want to drop, then it's rise up from price area. Okay, so we need to wait patiently for this setup in order to get back to the trading terminal. So I was discussing about Australian currency and USD is actually trying to run up levels. One. So expect more upside in AUDUSD currency pair. If you take a look at 4-hour time frame, this is where market tried to drop, and the way I see action is going to rise up more over here. It's not going to stop. I expect more upside in AUDUSD currency pair. Next one is the New Zealand dollar, NZD versus USD pair. The trend is up over here in daily time frame, and 4-hour time frame I expect upside in USD pair. Kind of a reaction over here around the New York session. So my forecast for NZ. Next one is the USD USD currency daily time. So dollar Swiss franc, quite possible that action is going to rise up front level. I expect more upside in USD versus CHF. currency pair. Price action is probably going to rise up more, and if euro isn't going to turn down, then the USD Swiss franc could fall. It's actually trying to move sideways over here. Let me show you the 1 hour chart along with the Fibonacci retracement level. So we got this breakdown over here of the support area right around this area, and it's telling me that USD franc looks bearish. So it looks quite possible that we're going to get further weekend price action of US dollar franc currency pair. I expect more drop in price action. Next one is the spot gold XAU USD pair daily time frame. Spot gold, the trend is up, and I expect more upside. Okay, price action showing some struggle, overall still up over here. Next, let's look at AG. So I expect more upside. Okay, I expect more upside in XAU. Okay. Let's look at our time frame for silver. So we go over here. Spot needs to actually 0.786 level before we get a top. Okay. I would prefer to wait outside price action at a specific level, especially the 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level. Next one is the US dollar versus Canadian dollar currency pair. USDCAD, it's trying to turn sideways over here. The way I see, USDCAD is probably going to drop over here, especially if you check out the smaller time frame. Price action is hardly finding aggressive buyers down over here. I'm going to delete these green color boxes. So my forecast is bearish, and if you take a look at a 1 hour time frame of US dollar versus Canadian dollar currency pair, this was kind of a breakout right over here, but I don't think this breakout is going to work. Okay, I'm going to move the charts to the right hand side. Let's go back to the okay, US dollar Japanese currency pair looks bearish, and over to the time frame. This side price action, yes, that action is going to drop more over here. Every time I have potential trade plan, but I've limiting order in 1 hour time frame. Why? Because the way I see markets probably going to move sideways, then expect the weakness section. So yesterday I've taken 2 trades in US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair, both closed with a small profit, and this is the third one which I've placed. Still waiting for the market to fill it. So US dollar yen currency pair, I have 2 possible sell trade plans. One idea is wait for the price action to test 148.49 area right up here, and then expect a top and a drop. The second idea is to wait for the price action to drop below and take out the support level first, and then from these lows price action is probably going to drop even further. Okay, next let us take a look at 1 hour time frame of USD versus Japanese yen currency pair. So this is the 1 hour chart. These things usually break to the downside. Okay, so you have seen that the euro dollar just keep going up over here, and you know, around the Aussie dollar, those pairs are going up. This means the United States dollar is becoming weak. So it looks quite possible that US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair is probably going to drop. Let us take a look at GBPJPY daily time frame. GBPJPY, if you check out price action, just keep going up over here. We got a bounce so far from the support area 195.33 level. There's a very interesting trade setting up in Euro Yen currency pair, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So if you take GBPJPY, we got the overlap, and this is what I've told you, that if we do get an overlap, the chances are high that GBPJPY currency pair is going to rise up more. And so exactly what is happening. Okay, next one is the Euro Yen. Euro Yen going a little bit sideways in daily time frame, and if you take a look at a 4 hour chart, this thing is turning somewhat sideways over here. What I mean by that, it's quite possible that we get potential triangle setup over here. I'm going to delete all of these trend lines and redraw them. So go here. It's quite possible that action is going to move this, and it's probably going to drop. Now, triangle will take time to so inside Yen currency pair, the IC is mostly going to move this. Let me change the color. So euro versus Japanese yen currency pair, this is the potential sell trade plan over here, and it looks possible that price action is going to first complete this pattern, then expect further weakness in price action of euro versus Japanese yen currency pair. Next, let us take a look at Swiss franc versus Japanese yen pair. So CHF versus JPY. Swiss franc yen, the way I see market, is probably going to drop first before we get support somewhere over here. And for small, you can use basically smaller time frame to short this market. You can use the the short-term day trading strategies. If you do not have a day trading strategy, check out my website. Okay, next one is the Euro AUD pair. Euro AUD is probably going to move sideways first, and then I expect more upside in Euro versus Australian dollar currency pair. Next one, let us take a look at 4-hour time frame. This is the buy trade plan over here inside Euro versus Australian dollar currency pair. The way I see market is probably going to drop first, and then from these lows, this you can use your own day trading strategies to try to look for a buy trade. But it also depends that market should bounce from this low over here. If you do not get any kind of a reaction low over here, obviously no buy trade. Market needs to drop first and then show some sort of a bullish pattern. Okay, then look for a potential buy trade setup. Otherwise, wait outside. Next one is the WTI crude oil. Crude oil is going down. We got the over here, so this one looks quite bearish. And the way I see market is probably going to drop over here in WTI crude oil. It's a downtrend. Got the close below 63.70 level. So 4-hour time frame looks quite bearish. I don't think we're going to get a pullback over here in 4-hour chart. The way price action is going down, you can use your own day trading strategies, and for those who have the rainbow trading strategy, it's a trend following trading strategy. You can just go down to the smaller time frame, like a 15 minutes time frame, and you can short the market. Multiple sell trading opportunities with this rainbow trading strategy. This rainbow trading strategy, by the way, it's available online on the website as well. So if you are interested to learn the rainbow trading strategy, check out my website. Go back to the radar screen and see which currency pairs are showing some interesting activity. Okay, is probably trying to drop over here. Let me go back to the trading terminal. So this is the sell stop pending order, and US dollar was 10 currency here, and the market is probably going to drop. You go here, check out the dollar. Let's go to a 4-hour time. The euro dollar, okay, it did not this highlighted so far, so my forecast is bullish, and I expect more upside in euro versus United States dollar currency pair. Okay, that's pretty much it for today from my side, and I will try to host the London market session after, let me calculate, in about 4.5 hours time, or almost 5 hours time. So that's pretty much it for the time being. Let me go back to the previous trading terminal. So that's it from me. Have a nice day, and see you later today. Bye bye.